Welcome back, guys. What I got for you today is an unboxing video of an up and coming build I got coming. It's a R32 GTR with an RB26. We're going to be doing a full Taomi RB28 stroker kit. So let's get started. I'm going through all these boxes. First one carrying, we have some ARP main studs. Always got to go with good hardware when you're trying to go with high horsepower motor. Always good quality hardware. We got a Taomi oversized oil pump. As you can tell, the oil pump is a lot bigger than factory. What had happened with the RB26 that was currently in the car, we took out of the car, 3 of the screws had came back down on the backing plate for the oil pump, and the oil pump couldn't pump oil sufficiently to the rest of the motor, so it actually threw a rod bearing on number 4. What we got next here is brand new Nissan R32 head straight Gizmo. Fresh head for a fresh build. We're gonna make that head to a block is with the Taomi head gasket, 87 millimeters, I believe 1.5 millimeters thick. So it'll get us that compression ratio down so we can run a lot of boost on this motor. We plan to run E85. This box here, we got a bunch of the small end connecting rod bearings, ACL, race bearings, got a box of main bearings, another box of ACL, connecting rod bearings, the big end, Taomi timing belt, and we got the piston kit for 6 cylinders. Piston kit for Taomi. Got a box of Taomi connecting rods. They're pretty beefy. They claim it make 1100 horsepower. So bring this to the last box. Some more sweet Taomi stickers. Looks like oil squirter spacers. The heart of the beast. 2.8 stroker kit crank. Alright guys, that's all I have for you for the unboxing. Stay tuned because as soon as the block's done at the machine shop and back here, we'll start the build on the short block and get this thing together. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And all that stuff at the bottom you gotta do that people tell you to do. You know, do that. Thank you.